So hi and assalamualaikum. Firstly, I would like to appreciate and thank you to our madam and our lecturer, Intan Shafini. So basically, I would like to present for our system that has been renamed and give the name as a Carenta. We are from group No Clue Crew. So without further ado, we have 4 team members. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin AZRI, and the second member is No SOFIA binti Abdul Haris, and the third member is No AMIRAH IZZATI binti Muhammad Said, and the last team member is AFIQAH binti Abdul LATIF. So we are from team No Clue Crew. So first and foremost, I will be present about company background. Basically, we have 6 points I will be explain. Basically, we have been created a system referred to car rental. So for the first one is Carenta is a car rental company that has been operating since 2019 in Langkawi, Kedah. The second one is Carenta is a word play on the Malay word for car, which is kereta, and also the service that they provide, which is car rental. So the word of language, English and Bahasa Malaysia or Bahasa Melayu, we have been combined to get the name of the system. So the third point is the company provide car rental service mainly for tourists that visit Langkawi both during normal and peak season. We have been focused for this system during normal and peak season because the demand is very high at that time. So the fourth point is future goal of Carenta is to achieve the effectiveness in upgrading the rental car maintenance system. From this system, I believe we can do a preventive maintenance for the car by time to time to get the best car and the best system we have been made. So the fifth point is customer can rent a wide range of car type from Carenta. From the system, we have been insert a lot of type of car, so the user or customer can choose either any car that he want to use. So the sixth point or the last point is there are multiple car under different car type. So we have 4x4 car, SUV car, and hatchback car. So it will be referred to customer needs and user needs.
Hi, my name is SOFIA and I am presenting our problem statement. Here is 5 of the problem. Number 1, Carenta uses manual file system for its day-to-day operations. Number 2, it is inconvenience for the employee to manage all the data manually. Number 3, it is difficult to make data queries for any transactions. Number 4, there is no complete view about the data and the informations. Lastly, it can negatively affect the quality of services that Carenta provides.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amirah Izzati binti Muhammad Said. So basically, I would like to present about the objective for this assignment. The objective for this assignment is to design and develop a database for a car rental company, which is Carenta Syndrome Berhad. By using a database, is to store and manipulate data and information. There is a lot of advantages that Carenta will receive once the database is implemented and used.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is AFIQAH binti Latif. So I will present about entity relationship diagram, which is ERD. ERD is like a visual map for database using simple shape and line to show how different things are connected. Entity are like the main subject where attributes are detailed about them. For the relationship are represented by lines illustrating how these entities are linked to connect the dots on a table. So ERD acts as a clear picture, simplifying complex database design by making the relationship and organization easy to follow, ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. So I will show you the blueprint of our current system database. It's like a family tree, but for our data, it tells us who is who and who does what. First up, we have our customer box. Think of it as the profile page for people who rent our cars. And it puts all the stuff you did expect, like names, phone number, and address. Then we have a car type. This is our menu of our car type, like sedan, MPV, or SUV. Each type has a name, a brand, and the price. Next, for the car box is for each individual car we own. It's like a car ID card with its license plates color and when it was made. Over here, we get our employee box. These are our team members that who make things happen. They have got names and numbers too, and we know who's the boss of whom. Now, when someone rent a car, we write up an invoice. It's a bit like a rental line items, which is sometimes one invoice has a few different cars on it. So we use rental line to list them all out. It's like the detailed part of a bill. Connecting to the dot, all these boxes are connecting with line because they talk to each other. So customer get the invoice, cars belong to car types, and employee take care of the invoice. So each box has a special key, which is like a membership number. It's unique to each person or car, and sometimes we borrow keys from one box to show a connection in another box. So that's our current family tree, which is entity relationship diagrams. It helps keep track of everything so we can run the business smoothly according this ERD. So that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass this slide to next person. Thank you.
So next, we will proceed for the database demo.
This is the part where we hustle every night to make sure our database system is worked up. Welcome to Carita Database System. For this database, we using the Microsoft Access for create this Carita database system. And in this part, I will divide into two parts, which is for employee login and for customer login. For the first part, I'm going to show you the employee login. So the first step, they need to click on main login. So this interface will pop up. For employee, of course, they need to click on here. Same goes to customer. So if as I mentioned before, click on employee login. So this is the login interface. They need to put in their username. Let's say it's ICT450 and the password is 123 login. So this is the Carenta main page. So if the employee wants to review the customer, then just click on here. So they can review the customer form here, customer ID. They just click for next record. But of course, for customer, there will be a lot of customer. So let's say I want to add record for new customer. this is I want to and record for new customer here. Let's say it's the customer ID is number 15. The name is this. The phone number is 10110. The address is, and the numeric IC number. Let's put driving license. Yes. Vaccination status completed. Okay. If I click on add record and I want to review, so this is the customer data and information. So if I want to go back, I just click here, and from here also I can review the report page. So this is the car report, car type report, customer report, employee report, invoice report, and rental line report. So I want to review customer report first. So this is where the customer report is shown. So this is where I just put on AZRI and Sabaria. So I just, if I don't want to, I don't need this report, I just click on this. Car type, car report, sorry. So this is some of our car ID, raw text number, color, car type, registration number, manufactured date, and so on. Let's say we want to review employee ID. So for Carenta, they have three employee for now. Intan, Siti Aisyah, and Amir. This is their phone number, employee address, mm, invoice report. Okay, as you can see here, there are several invoice ID here. Okay, enough for the report page. Let's go back to, let's say we want to see the employee form. Same goes to customer form. If I want to add new employee, I need to clear on this one first. Okay, I need to put in new ID, one number 4. Now the employee name will be Hazik. The phone number is long, I think. Employee address, and click on add record. So if I want to review the previous record that I just filled in, click here. There the in the subform, the data will show. So I need to click back. Enough for Carenta for employee main log page. Thank you. Enough for me to show the employee login. So let's move backwards for me to show the next part, which is for customer login. So as I mentioned before, the customer needs to click on main login. So this is the place where the customer needs to click on. Enter username again, Gopal. Let's say it's the username and the password will be 456. Log in. So this is the other interface for the customer, so that if they want to review card type available, they click on here. So for this Carenta database, we managed to reduce some of the card type. So For car type number 1, it is Pizza, it is Pro 2 from Pro 2, sedan type, and base price is RM85 per day. They can click on next. As I mentioned before, we reduce the car type for this database. Be- then click back. If they want to review the car form, this is the registration number, the more details about the car. You can also add record here. Click on back, invoice form, main page. If we click on main page, it appears here again. If the customer wants to log out, are you sure you want to log out? Yes. So that's it.
In conclusion, we believe that by using a database, Karenta Senemraha will improve in lots of different aspects, ranging from data management to customer service. With the addition of this database, we hope that Karenta Senemraha will gain and achieve more profit in the near future, and the company will be able to serve more customers with the utmost level of service quality that will give satisfaction to the customers. Thank you.